Hi everybody, Chuck with Church Boys Racing. Got a triangulated 4-link going in on a 63 wagon, and we wanted to show you how things look. Some people always have questions, which is okay. I wanted to show you guys our orientation of this upper cross member. So you'll notice the factory shock plate where the upper shock mounted. Our plate will snug up right up to that, and then also on the bottom edge here follows the frame rail. Of course, the upper control arm mounts will be facing back at the rear end, and then you'll notice the snubber. There's a little gap there, so it is not tight against the snubber. Okay, you can see how that looks up in there. Our frame plate welds up along the side of the frame rail. I'll give you a look over here, it looks a little better. So that you can see, we put those frame plates in there. That gives you something good to weld to. And I want to caution you, do not weld those frame plates 100% all at the same time. Tack weld those in place, take your time, jump across, do the other side, weld those in. Okay, take your time. You don't want to set the frame rails in a position to warp or bend. You can see the upper shock mount for the coilovers. Those also will line up with the bottom of the frame rail. On the wagon, turn this light, there is a frame brace that runs across the floor. You will run your shock mount right up tight to that and you'll be in location. On the 2 doors and 4 doors, your trunk pan will come down right up against this. So that'll come down right through here. You'll run these right up against that and you're in location again as well. You cannot get them oriented wrong because this frame plate here, they will line up right there. All right. A little look at the torque boxes. Those get welded into the frame alongside the frame, up in the floor pan, and then with the frame tie connectors that you might get, those weld to the front of the lower cross member, lower arm mount. You know what. So here's a look at it. Triangulated 4-link going in.